Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add your own voice to your song in Mureka AI. In order to do so, here we are at Mureka.ai, and what we're looking for can be found in the Create section here in the main menu here on the left-hand side. We'll just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, what we're looking for can be found where it says Vocal. We're going to click on Vocal. And here you're going to see the option to upload audio. Be your own superstar, turn voice from audio files into AI music. So if you have an audio file with your singing on it, then you can upload that and you can use that to create an AI song. Now bear in mind that in order to do so, you are going to need the Pro plan. So you could see that here, the Pro plan is $8 a month. For the yearly plan, it comes out to about $8 a month, billed annually at $96. The Pro plan is $24 a month. So in order to be able to upload your own audio, you are going to need the Pro plan, which is $24 a month, billed annually at $288. For the monthly plan, you are looking at $30 a month in order to be able to upload your own audio. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Mureka AI, you can gain access to an AI companion for academic document writing. Unlock your writing potential with My Stylus, find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. Also, you can use promo code SkillcraftAI10 to get 10% off your subscription. You'll be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.